In the previous class, we have learned about our plains and plateaus and hills and mountains. Now we are going to learn about the deserts. A large area of land covered with sand is called a desert. In the northwestern part of India lies the Indian desert. So children, in the desert we can see a lot of land. That is in this picture we can see. See here the camels are moving. It's a means of a transport in Rajasthan. It means in the desert areas, and also called the Thar Desert. Here the Indian desert is also called as the Thar Desert. It covers a large part of Rajasthan. This area is hot and dry. Okay. So in this area we can see very hot climate. It gets a very little rainfall and very few plants and trees grow here. Why they are having a little rainfall? Because of the climate is a very hot and there is no water. And also, so children, in the climate of the desert, it is having a very hot and there is no rainfall and also no trees. Why? Because there is no water there. So the trees can't get the sufficient water to grow. That's why we can see a very little bit of trees and plants there. And next, islands. A piece of land surrounded by water on all sides is called an island. That means the three sides is covered with, that means east, west and south. Can you children? It is a covered having three islands. So there are two groups of islands in our country. The first one is Andaman and Nicobar Islands on the east side in the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Islands on the west side in the Arabian Sea. So this we can see in the map. See children, here we are having a Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep. Okay na children, and this is about the islands. And now we can know about this checkpoint, true or false. A mountain is a high hill with a sharp peak. So we are having here sharp peak, so it is true. Mount Everest lies in India. False. The Great Plains lies to the south of Himalayas. True. The Deccan Plateau covers a large part of India. True. Next, tick the correct answers. Which is the highest peak in the world? Lotus, Nanda Devi, Mount Everest. The answer is Mount Everest. Where do two coastal plains meet? Meets at Kanyakumari. So we are having here options Kanyakumari, Kochi, Tuticorin. Okay na? So the two coastal plains are meeting at Kochi. And next, which plateau is also called a Deccan Plateau? Deccan Plateau is called as a... So which plateau is called a Deccan Plateau? Is a Southern Plateau. In which part of India does the Thar Desert lie? Northwestern. In which water body lie the Lakshadweep Islands, Arabian Sea? Fill in the blanks. A hill is a highland with a round top. The Himalayas lie in the North India. The coastal areas are neither very hot nor very cold. Parts of Rajasthan are covered by a desert. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Do and learn activity. Himachal Pradesh. So here we are having activity. Write the landforms found in these states. Himachal Pradesh, mountains. Telangana, plateau. Telangana, plateau. Rajasthan, deserts. Uttar Pradesh, plains. Chhattisgarh, plateau. Here are some highlands related to mountains and desert. Write M for mountains and D for deserts against each. Sand we can see in desert. Cactus we can see in desert. Yak we can see in mountains. Camel we can see in deserts. Snow we can see in mountains. pine tree we can see in mountains. Next, here we can see a camel is used a lot in deserts. Find out what makes it useful. So store food, water and padding on the feet. And we are having here map pointing. So do this map pointing also. Okay, na children. We are having the landforms in different colors and also rivers. Okay, we have already in this lesson map. So compare that and complete this map page number 190 given.